Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we unveil the most enchanting selection of handcrafted knitted sweaters and frocks for your little shearer. Prepare to be captivated as we unveil a delightful array of bespoke knitted garments, each one designed to wrap your baby in warmth and charm. From whimsical sweaters featuring vibrant colors and playful textures, to elegant frocks adorned with intricate stitches and delicate embellishments. Our collection is a testament to the artistry and love poured into every stitch. Whether it's a cozy day at home or a special outing, our knitted creations promise to make your baby the star of the show. Crafted with care, each garment in our collection is a testament to the quality and comfort, made from the softest yarns and materials. These pieces are gentle on delicate skin, ensuring your little one feels snug and cozy all day long. Join us on this journey of discovery as we showcase these handcrafted delights, and let yourself be inspired by the beauty and warmth of handmade baby fashion. Now don't forget to hit the like button, leave us a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more enchanted knitted creations. Now we will see you in our next video. Till then, bye bye.